Hi everyone, today we are going to learn a concept in circle. It is in CBSE textbook, it's in exercise 10.2 and Karnataka state textbook, it's in exercise 4.2. It's a very important topic in this chapter. So they have given a triangle ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. It means that a circle is circumscribed by a triangle and its radius is 4 centimeter. They given only the value of one radius. It means the circle, all the radii are equal. So we have considered all the radii as 4 centimeter, such that point segments BD and DC into which BD is divided. So it's a line BC and it is divided into two parts, that is CD and DB. Into which BC is divided by the point of contact D. It is the point of contact because it's a tangent, and here the which touches the circle at one point, it is known as point of contact. So they have given it as D. The lengths are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So we consider they have given in the diagram this is 8 centimeter and this has 6 centimeter. If the circle is there, then the center will be present. So we have taken the point O. And we should find the sides AB and AC. We don't know the value of this. Let us consider this has A and this has B and this has C. Now we should find out this length. So from the point the two tangents are drawn to a circle, then its length are equal by the theorem of circle chapter. So we take this as 6 centimeter and even here this is 8 centimeter, then this will be 8 centimeter because this is a point, the two tangents are drawn to the circle. So we take this as 8 centimeter and we don't know the value of this, so we take it as x and x. We take it as x and x because here also it's a point and which is attached to a circle at one point, it is a tangent from the external point. So we have taken this as x and x. Now to find out this length, the value of x, we should do by Heron's formula because they have not given the height of the triangle. So to find the Heron's formula, first we should find the semi-perimeter. So we take A plus B plus C divided by 2. Semi-perimeter means half, so we do it by 1 by 2. So we taken here 2 and this is all the lengths of the triangle. So we have considered this as A and it's 8 plus x. We should not multiply, we should add this 8 plus x plus, and this we have considered as B line. So 8 plus 6 is 14 centimeter. So we take this as 14 centimeter plus C. This line we have taken as C, which is 6 plus x. So we take this as 6 plus x, which is divided by 2 because it's semi-perimeter. Now 14 plus 6 is 20. Again 20 plus 8 is 28. Plus here near the x, if nothing is there means here will be 1, here will be 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. We should write x as it is because it's not multiplication, which is divided by 2. Now in this term, here x is not there, so we consider the common term has 2. So we take the 2 outside to multiply. If 2 is taken out, then remaining will be 14 plus x, which is divided by 2. 2 14s are 28 plus 2 into x is 2x and divided by 2. Now it's in numerator and its denominator it is multiplying, so we can cancel this and this term. The remaining is 14 plus x. We got the value of semi-perimeter, which is 14 plus x. We have got this. Now we should apply the Heron's formula to this. So Heron's formula, so in Heron formula, area equals to S, which is semi-perimeter, and S minus A into S minus B into S minus C and square root, which is equals to, we found the value of S here, so we consider this as 14 plus x. We should be always in the bracket if we multiply this to this terms. So again here it is S minus A, so we take 14 plus x. Here there is symbol minus, so we consider this as minus, and A value, here we found the A value is 8 plus x So we take this as 8 plus x. As there are two numbers, we should not write it directly. So we apply the bracket, which means multiply. Again we take s minus b, which is 14 plus x is s value minus b value. B value is 14. As it is single term, we take this as it is, not by the bracket. 14. And again we have s minus c. So the value of s is 14 plus x minus the value of c. Here we got 6 plus x. So again it's two terms, so we should apply bracket to this, which is square root. And in this term, minus 6 and 14x get cancelled, remaining is only x. So area equals to 14 plus x, and here we should apply this minus symbol to both these terms. So when we apply that, we will get 14 plus x. Here plus into minus is minus, which is 8, and again plus into minus is minus, which is x. So we apply bracket again. So here remaining is only x, so no need of bracket. So we take it as multiply. And here we will subtract minus symbol into this. So it becomes 14 plus x. Plus into minus is minus, minus 6. Plus into minus is again minus. So minus x, which is square root. And here this is minus x, this is plus x. So we cancel this. And even here this is plus 6 and minus 6. So we cancel this. And remaining is 14 plus x into 14 minus 8. The smaller number sign is minus, so bigger number sign is plus. We will consider the bigger number sign. 14 minus 8 is 6, which is into 6, and here we have only x into 14 minus 6. Again bigger number sign is plus, so we consider 14 minus 6 is 8 plus 8 square root, which is equals to 14 plus x. We will consider this. 8 6 are 48. 48 into x is 48x. Again we should apply square root. So we will multiply this to this and even this, which is 48 into 14. We got 672. So we'll write 672. And here there is only x, here there is no x, so we'll write it as x. And here the symbol is plus, so we substitute plus. And here nothing is there, means 1. 48 ones are 48, and x into x will become x squared, which is square root, which is the area. So it is in area, we have to put centimeter square. This is the area of whole triangle. Now we should check whether it's equal. So we'll consider single triangle. We'll take single triangle and check whether it's equal. So first we consider this triangle. From triangle which is OBC. So area of triangle, we should apply the area of triangle. Area of triangle equals to half into base into height, which is half into, here the base is CB. This is the base, so we consider here CB into height is, this one is the height. So it is OD, which is equals to half into, the value of CB is 14. So we take this as 14 plus OD. The OD value is 4. We will take this as 4. So here we can cancel this 2, here 2 ones are and here 2 2s are. The remaining is 14, multiply 14 into 2, 14 2s are is 28 centimeter. As it is here area, so we have to apply square. This is the area of first triangle. Now we will take for the second triangle. So now we consider triangle. We consider this triangle, which is A, O and B. From triangle from triangle AOB. So
Start.
from triangle AOB, again the area of triangle equals to half into base into height. We should apply that formula here also, which is half into base into height, half as it is into here in this triangle the base is A and B, so we take this as AB into the height is O and E, so we take this OE, which is equals to half into the value of base is 8 plus x, so we take this as 8 plus x. As here there is two numbers, so we should put this in bracket. Again OE, the value of OE is 4 centimeter, because the radii of the circle, all the radii of the circle will be equal, so we take this as 4. Again here 2 ones are 2 twos are, we should apply 2 to this and even this, which is 8 twos are 16, plus 2 into x is 2x, which is centimeter square. And now we will take the third triangle, which is AO and C. So from triangle AOC, again the same formula, which is half into base into height, half into, here the value of base is 6 plus x, so we take this as 6 plus x, this should be in bracket as there is two numbers, into height. Here the height is 4 centimeter. Okay, again the radii of the circle, so we will take this as 4. Here again 2 ones are 2 twos are, so we should apply this 2 to this and this, so it becomes 6 twos are 12 plus 2x centimeter. Because of area we will apply square. Now we should check whether it's equal or not, so now we will check. Now we should check whether it's equal or not. We should check. So we got the area of whole triangle equals to 672 plus 48 x square. This is x whole root, which is equals to area of first triangle is 28 plus area of second triangle is 16 plus x square plus area of the third triangle is 12 plus. So now we'll write it as it is. X square is equals to, so now we will add this and this. So 28 plus 12 will become 40. Again 40 plus 16 is 56 plus 2 plus 2 is 4, and x and x is as it is. We got this value. Now we should square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So we take this as 672x plus 48x square root whole square, which is equals to 56 plus 4x whole square. So now this square and square root get cancelled. Remaining is 672x plus 48x square. So now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So first we will do a square. 56 square. 56 square is 3136. So we take this as 3136 plus 4 square is 16. B square means it includes x also. So we will take x. Again here it becomes x square plus 2 into ab. It means 2 into a into b. So 56 into 2 is 112. 112 into 4, which is 448. 448x. Here will not include the square to this, so we take this, and now we shift these variables to this side. So first we should consider highest degree. So we take 48x square in the first place, and here this is the highest degree is 2, so minus 16x square, plus we take this, which is 672x, and this one minus 448x, which is equals to 3136. So now we'll subtract this and this because of the degrees. So 48 minus 16 is 32x square. So we take this as 32x square plus 672 minus 448. This becomes 12, 4, 6, 2, 2. It is 224x, which is equals to 3136. So now we shift this to this side, so it becomes minus, which is 32x plus 224x minus 3136 equals to 0. So now we can divide this by 32. So we'll write dividing by 32. If we divide it by 32, then it becomes x square plus 22 divided by 32 is, we will get 7, so 7x minus 3136 is divided by 32, then we will get 98. So we will write 98. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So now we will factorize this. This is the first term, second term, third term. So first we will do multiplication for third term and one term, which is minus 98 into x square is minus 98x square, and here we should get 7x. As it is in the positive, so the bigger number sign will be plus, and xx as it is, and this will be negative because here it's minus. So 14 sevens are is 98, so we take this as 14 to 7. So it becomes x square plus 14x minus 7x minus 98 equals to 0. So now we should consider first two and last two. So we consider this. In this, the common value is x. So we take this x out, and remaining will be, if x is taken out, then the remaining will be x plus 14. And here if we got x plus 14, here it should be same. So we write this as x plus 14. If x is here, then here minus and 7 remains. So we take this as minus 7 equals to 0. Now to find the value, so now we will do this two and this and this. So we will take x minus 7 equals to 0, and x plus 14 equals to 0. So when this minus 7 comes to this side, it becomes plus 7, because when it crosses the is equals symbols, it becomes positive. So x is 7, and here it's in the plus 14. So when it crosses the is equals symbol, it becomes minus 14. So x is 14 and x is minus 14. We will not take the value of minus 14 in the triangle. We can't take that. So we consider x equals to 7. So we should substitute this value to the line to find the height. So first we take the line AB, which is AB is equals to, here if it's 8, it is 8, and we took this as x is 6. So 8 plus x, AB equals to 8 plus the value of x is 7. We replace x by 7 because that's it. It's 7 is the value of x. So now AB equals to 8 plus 7 is 15 centimeter. So we found the length of one side. They given the one side, and we should find the last side. So we consider in the line AC is equals to, we know the value 6 plus x. So we take this as 6 plus x, and the value of x is 7. So we take this as 7. Now AC equals to 6 plus 7 is 13 centimeter. So we have finished this sum. Thank you.